A mini dental implant is a small-sized dental implant used to stabilize dentures or replace missing teeth. It consists of a titanium post. Titanium is the same material often used in joint replacements like a new hip or a new knee. It snaps into the denture and acts as an anchor for permanent teeth. Mini dental implants are less invasive compared to the traditional old-style implant, requiring a smaller surgical procedure, often without the need for bone grafting. They are suitable for most patients, especially those with reduced bone density or limited space in their mouths. Mini dental implants offer a cost-effective, proven, and efficient solution for certain dental restoration needs. There are 5 main advantages of the mini dental implant. It is less invasive, less pain, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and less expensive.